Magnet. Magnet is a piece of iron, nickel or cobalt that can attract iron-containing objects. This property of magnets is called magnetism. Discovery of magnets. Long ago in the country Greece, a shepherd named Magnus was living in a region called Magnesia. Once, while herding his sheep, he observed that the metal tip of his staff was getting stuck to a large black rock. The rock was a natural magnet, and the stick was attracted to it. Such types of magnetic rocks were called magnetite. Shapes of magnets. Lodestone is a natural magnet. It has an irregular shape. On the other hand, artificial magnets can be given any shape. Different shapes of an artificial magnet are bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, needle magnet, cylindrical magnet. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Different types of materials are classified as magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Materials which get attracted by a magnet are called magnetic materials. For example, iron, steel, etc. Materials which do not get attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. For example, wood, plastic, etc. Poles of a magnet. Let us perform an activity to know about the poles of a magnet. Spread iron fillings on a piece of paper. Place a magnet on it and shake the paper. It can be observed that the iron fillings stick near the ends of the magnet. These two ends of the magnet are called magnetic poles. The poles of a magnet always occur in pairs. It is impossible to obtain an isolated magnetic pole. An interesting property of a magnet is that when suspended, it comes to rest in the north-south direction. Let us perform an activity to justify this statement. Take a bar magnet and mark one of its ends for identification. Now tie a thread in the middle of the bar magnet and suspend it freely from a wooden stand. Give it a push and let it come to rest. Mark the rest positions of the magnet on the table. Join both the ends by drawing a line. Disturb the magnet from its original position. It can be observed that the magnet rests in the same position again. The end of the magnet that points towards the north is called the north pole, while the end of the magnet that points towards the south is called the south pole. Interaction between magnetic poles. Like poles of two magnets always repel each other, while the unlike poles of a magnet always attract each other. Let us perform an activity to show the interaction between poles of a magnet. Take a bar magnet A and suspend it freely from a wooden stand. Bring the north pole of another bar magnet B near the north pole of the magnet A. The north pole of the magnet A will repel in the opposite direction. Now bring the south pole of another bar magnet B near the south pole of the magnet A. The south pole of the magnet A will repel in the opposite direction. Thus, it is clear that the poles repel each other. Repeat the activity by bringing the north pole of another bar magnet B near the south pole of the magnet A. The south pole of the magnet A will get attracted towards the north pole of magnet B. Now bring the south pole of another bar magnet B near the north pole of the magnet A. The north pole of the magnet A will get attracted towards the south pole of magnet B. Thus, it is clear that unlike poles attract each other.